welcome to another episode of what page break in Excel. Now, what is page break? Page break is just simply dotted lines which are being used to divide one sheet or one page from another page. Okay, take for example, you have this information and you want to print in three different pages or two different pages. Immediately you highlight, you realize that it will come to a single page. But now it will not come, because if you look critically on the sheet, you realize that there is what dotted lines on the sheet, which means what the page has been break. And where is this coming from? You can find this option in preview, in view tab, and you have what your page break option. So you see the dotted line now transparent. So what do? Because of these dotted lines, it will not make this page or this information to be in what a single page. If you look, you have page 1, page 2, because of what the dotted lines. So this page break enables you to have what multiple pages. Okay, so I'm going to reset all the page breaks and see. Now if you come to your file, you realize that this information which I highlighted is in two pages, like 1, 2. All right, let's look where the line was and see where it was cut. So it was cut before maximum. So we go back and we check. You see, because the line was before maximum, that is why. So if I shift the line, you realize that what all this will be printed in a single page. So you see that all the information now comes into a single page, but probably you want to print in maybe 3 different pages. So what do? You can insert your page break in order for you to have this information in different pages. So page break is simply used to separate what your information into different pages. Okay, you can also get the information like this. You realize that this is page 1 and the data will only be in page 1, and you can add your page break as many as you want, okay, by you just right clicking and insert page break. So as many page break that you have on a sheet, that is how the number of pages will increase. So if I right click and I take what insert page break, you realize that as the page breaks lines are increasing, the number of sheets are increasing. So if I want to count, we'll have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, about 9 sheets. How can we check that? Let's come to our file and look at the print preview and see. So you see we have 9 of them. This is because of what the page break. Sometimes you may want to print information and you realize that what all the informations are not entering into what a single sheet. That is because page break has been what you have page break on the sheet. That is the reason why it is getting what separated. Thank you very much.